Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a line chart using a Power BI measure. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Let's start. So first we click on line chart. Then we need create a measure. We click on the three dots, new measure, and this measure will be average. So this measure will show average for sales. We press enter and our measure is created. Now we drag and drop this measure to this axis. And now we select the date, order date, and also drag and drop to this axis. And now we can see a line chart day by day, the average sale for each day. Now if we drill up, we also can see the average sale for each month. And we can also add some other columns to this line chart. For example, ship mode. And now we have line chart that show the delivery tracks, express air, regular air, and it show average by months in ship mode. We also can change our measure, for example. So it do the average for the sales column. And for some reason we want to rest 100, or we want to divide by 100. Let's try rest. And it's still working. So you can do here some other function, some math operation, etc. So this is why measures are dynamic. So if you change the visual, adding new columns or adding some legend, your measure will adapt to it. So hopefully this video was useful for someone, and if you like more videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.